Right guys, so welcome back to Dan's Aquarium. Hi, how you doing? So today is a little bit of a restoration video. I'm going to be cleaning up a Windlass. As you can see how dirty it is. So I've already done 4 at the moment. Sorry about my head, it's just the camera angle. That's better. Right, so yeah, we're just going to give this a clean up. My drill is currently on charge, but I normally use either this wire brush head or this one. That's what I've been using. Harpic bleach as well. I've got some old screws soaking outside in a tray. So yeah, at the moment I'm just going to be banging all this out like this, nice and gently. There we go. That's that out. See, you got 2 holes in there now. Already guys, you can see a big transformation because all this big thick rust is off. But once my drill's charged, I'll be able to give it a wire brush all over and it'll come up gleaming. If anyone wants to purchase any Windlasses, maybe you own a canal boat, or maybe you know someone that owns a canal boat and you want to give them a present, PayPal's in the description. £5. If you want it posted, then you cover postage. Just let us know and we'll let you know how much postage will be. And yeah. So yeah, £5 each guys. It's just to cover me just like using products and things. It helps cover like replace tools like wire brushes, because they soon go out of soon get like ruined. So yeah, what I'll do now guys, see, you see all that big bits of rust then, see? I do have here a wire brush. You can see all the dust like falling off. But these ones are like, I think they're from Poundland or Pound Stretcher, something like that. So I'm currently in our conservatory back bit. Laura's mum and dad sits out here, so they watch TV and things like that. So yeah, once the battery's charged on that, all this just come off and it just fall down. As a job, when you got to do it by hand guys, it's a nightmare. It's time, it ain't a thing that you can rush, and you just got to take the time and it'll come. I have got some rust remover and things up there, and got things down there. So yeah, I use these chisels here guys, just a pack of 3. They weren't, I wouldn't say they were cheap, but they weren't expensive either. They were like the right price. So I can't remember where I got them from actually. I think I got them from B&M, I think, or Home Bargain, something like that. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a little time lapse now of me cleaning.
I hear the
exercises. There's like 6 minutes, about 10 minutes of footage so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it here. Then I'll show you again later once the wire brush and that's charged. Then I can show you then how it works.